In our video, we're going to show you how to find your Bitcoin address on Binance. Let's get started with our tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to go to Binance.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access a few things. Typically, at the part of your screen, you should see a deposit button. Click on it, and you'll have the option to select how you want to deposit. In this case, click on Deposit Crypto. Next, search for the coin you want to find the address for. Since we want to find our BTC address, let's click on BTC. From here, you need to select the network. Selecting the correct network is important to avoid losing your BTC during transactions. Once you've selected the BTC coin, you should be able to see your address. You can copy your address by clicking the copy button or by highlighting it. You can also take a screenshot of the QR code displayed on your screen. And that's about it. You can now share your Bitcoin address with your friends or anyone you want to receive crypto from. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.